Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to become invisible on Google Meet. If you want to hide and unhide yourself on Google Meet, keep watching the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us to become invisible on Google Meet. By turning off your camera and your microphone, all you need to do is to go ahead and join into a Google meeting. Open up your web browser and go to Meetup. Google.com and search. Once you end up in the home screen of Google Meet, click on New Meeting in order to start a new meeting. Or you can simply join in by entering a code or link available. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and start a new meeting by clicking on New Meeting and clicking on Start an Instant Meeting. By default, you will be sharing your camera with your participants. If you'd like to hide yourself, then you'll need to simply turn off your camera by clicking on the camera icon at the bottom of the page. That way you'll become invisible on Google Meet. You can also go ahead and disable your microphone by clicking on the microphone option at the bottom. Once you turn off your video camera to hide yourself and make yourself invisible, the participants won't be able to see your face and hear your voice on Google Meet. This function comes in handy if you don't want people to see you or hear you for some time during a meeting. After you're done being invisible and you'd like to unhide yourself back, you can click on the Save button in order to turn off your camera or to turn off your microphone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Again, thank you for watching.